Hi, welcome back to Musicians Edition. Today, we're gonna learn how to tune our flutes. Are you ready? Let's go. All right, so it's super important that we know how to tune our flutes and that we tune with the band or with our piano or our singer or whatever we have going on. We need to tune our flutes. Why? Our flutes are not automatically set in tune when we just put them together. So the way we put our head in, this is where the tuning is. So let's just take a moment to see how we do this. All right, so when I was in the middle school and high school band, we always tuned to B flat. But now in like the orchestra and what we tune to now is A. So here's how we're gonna do it. We're gonna tune to the note A, but it's the same thing if your band asks you to tune to B flat. All right, so there are many apps that can help us tune, or you can use your metronome as well. All right, so here we're set on the tuner, and right now it's tuning my voice. But anyway, so when we tune to A, let's take a listen. It's showing that I'm pretty good. You want to keep it in this green area. Let's see what it's like in the higher register. So it shows that I'm a little sharp, but even when I play the lower end, it still ends up on the high end, even though it's still in the green. So if you want to make your flute flatter, we're going to pull out the head joint just a hair. Let's try now. You see how it brought it down a little? Let's try the octave higher now. So that is so much better. Now, the opposite, if my flute is flat, so I just pulled my head joint out a lot to make it a lot flatter. Let's take a look. You see how it's really flat now? If I put my head joint in, it's going to raise the pitch up. So now I did that. You see how it brought it up? All right, so it's just as simple as that. We're gonna just pull the head joint in and out. So when it's flat, we're gonna just push our head joints in. And you can see, it's not supposed to be all the way in, but you can see when you're pushing it in. Changes the tune just enough, but it sounds really bad as a group if we don't take the time to do that. So now that we know how, from now on, we're going to tune our flutes before we practice and play together. Now, if you don't have a metronome and you're just playing with the band, you'll have to really listen. So they're going to say, okay, let's tune to A. And there's usually one person in the band who plays the note. You're going to have to listen. And you're going to have to try to determine, is that sharp? Is that flat? It's going to take a lot of trial and error at first because listening is a skill that comes later on that we really have to work at. So for now, I recommend trying to listen. Try to determine, am I sharp? Am I flat? Maybe pull it out and then listen. Oh, that sounds a little flat. I'm going to push in a little. Oh, I think I pushed in too much. I'm going to pull out just a tad. That sounds really good. And then, just to double check, then pull your metronome out or your tuner or your app and then play and see where you're at then. But we need to work on just listening because we're not always able to just pull out our tuners. It can be challenging to use your tuner with the whole entire band. They have ones that have a mic just to hear yours or it feels the vibrations, but it's also a really good skill to have just by listening. All right, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and the notification button so you don't miss any of our lessons. Thanks for joining me, and until next time.